Have you ever wanted an indicator that clearly shows you the market's reversal points? Imagine pinpointing exactly when an uptrend is about to turn into a downtrend, or when a downtrend will become an uptrend. Sounds powerful, right? Well, it is. That's exactly what the smooth price oscillator created by Big Beluga on TradingView delivers. Today I'm going to show you how it works and how you can use this tool to trade with much more confidence. The smooth price oscillator is an oscillator designed to show momentum, trend reversals, and overbought and oversold points. It uses a super smoother filter which eliminates noise, giving cleaner signals, and is easy to understand. When the oscillator is blue, it signifies buying pressure, an uptrend. When it appears in gold, it signifies selling pressure, a downtrend. On top of that, we have important zones and levels. The overbought zone at the top can indicate that the price is about to fall. The oversold zone found at the base can signal that the price might soon increase. When the oscillator goes past these levels, it generates reversal signals on the chart, indicating precisely where the price could change direction. And so how do we add it to our chart? So we're going to navigate to the indicators section, and then we will proceed to look for the smooth price oscillator. This is Big Beluga's first option. Just click it and it'll show up like on my chart. Now let's understand the signal types it can generate. Strong reversal signals highlighted with symbols and arrows on the chart. These are the most reliable points to trade on. Meanwhile, simpler reversal signals are shown with either a plus sign or a small X mark. They function more as exit alerts for trades rather than for entry. So you can initiate a trade in the market utilizing the strong signals, which in this case is indicated here, and then exit your position using the simple signal, which is represented by this small cross. You enter when you see the strong signal, which appears as a small dot, and you exit at the cross, which is the weak signal. You should enter on the strong signal and exit on the weak signal. And now you're probably wondering, how do I use this daily? It's simple. I use it like this. I'm on Euro-US dollar on the 1 hour chart. You can apply it to the Forex market as well as for stocks, crypto, or any other market you prefer to trade. Furthermore, you are free to utilize any time frame. Before we proceed, many of you often inquire which broker I personally utilize for trading in the Forex market, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. My answer is EXNESS. It's the best and most complete broker in the market. If you've been frustrated with your broker, you'll get what I'm saying. Many brokers have slow order execution. On EXNESS, execution is instant. Some brokers charge very high spreads. On EXNESS, the spreads and fees are extremely low, some of the lowest you'll find on the market. Ever waited days to receive a withdrawal? On EXNESS, the money arrives almost instantly. And best of all, you can adjust leverage to be almost infinite as you wish while controlling your risk. If your broker freezes, overcharges, or delays payments, it's time to switch. The EXNESS link is in the description. And like I said, for me, I consider it one of the best brokers with the lowest fees on the market. I'm going to come back here to the indicators once again and then look for EMA. The exponential moving average should then show up for me. I'll click on it and it will add the moving average to my chart. I'm going to click on it to enter the settings, and I will set the period to 200. I can also adjust the color settings and other options here to make it easier to see and improve visibility. And now I'll only be able to execute trades that are in line with the moving average. In other words, if the price is above the moving average and indicates a buying opportunity, that buy is validated and I can proceed with the operation. Now, if the price signals a buy, but the price is actually below the moving average, I will not make that purchase because quite clearly the general trend is indeed a downtrend, and we would certainly be going against a very strong trend overall. We always want to enter trades in favor of the trend and never against it. Now pay close attention to these two operations that occurred right here. The chart was situated above the moving average. The indicator gave me a clear buy signal right here at this precise point, so what exactly should I be waiting for next? I'm going to wait for a candle showing buying pressure to appear. Immediately beside it, a very powerful bullish candle emerged, so I can place my trade entry at its closing point. I'll set the stop loss slightly below the last low point where the signal was generated, which is minus 0.23 in this specific case, and then I'll aim for a return that is twice that amount. It went up to about 0.50 here, so it even exceeded our take profit target. Right after this, a buy entry appeared again above the moving average. This time it was an even stronger signal. So we can validate this particular entry as soon as a strong power candle shows up. This candle had already shown significant strength because it completely engulfed the previous red candle visible on the chart. So in this specific case, I have the option to position my stop loss just beneath the previous low, which would be at minus 0.44 here, and then set my take profit target at twice that amount, specifically at 0.88. And it came to this exact point right around here, giving us yet another victory. The smooth price oscillator is a powerful tool for anyone looking to clearly identify market turning points. By itself, it provides good signals. But when combined with a moving average or other trend filters, it can greatly improve your win rate. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, not a buy-sell recommendation. Always do your own research or consult professionals before investing. And if you enjoyed this kind of content and wish to receive more indicators to use in your daily trading, please leave a like to support the channel, subscribe, and activate notifications. This way you'll be among the first to know whenever I post. Also, comment below with additional indicators you'd like to see so I understand you desire more videos on this topic. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.